Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin. Today, I'm super excited because we are making Florida blueberry mojitos. That's right, we're making blueberry mojitos, a really fun yet simple drink. It's perfect for the summertime, just when Florida blueberries are in season. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got my Collins glass here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add a nice little handful of my Florida blueberries to the bottom of this. And then I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of fresh lime juice. It's gonna help balance all these flavors out. Now I've got a little bit of simple syrup that I made earlier. It's basically just equal parts sugar and water. This recipe is also on followfreshfromflorida.com. Then I'm gonna add a few of my mint leaves to the bottom. We're also gonna garnish this as well. Those are going right in. And then I've got my muddling stick here. And this is gonna help break everything up and just kind of continue to work this in. We've got our blueberries and our fresh mint and our simple syrup all muddled up. So we're gonna add a little of both, I think about 1 ounce of each. And we want this crushed ice to go all the way up to the top. And then we're just gonna finish this off with just a little bit of soda water right on top. There we have our Florida blueberry mojito. What a fun, light, and refreshing summertime drink utilizing in-season blueberries. Really, really good. So this recipe is on followfreshfromflorida.com with many other cocktail recipes as well. Lots of really great stuff on there. So in the meantime, remember, keep it fresh and drink responsibly.